Hey, it's Lou. How you doing? The cool thing about AI is how productive it can make you. And nowhere is that more true than with the video AI software called Descript.com. This has been more than a game changer. This is actually, for me at least, a life changer because I can do my podcasts and my videos in a fraction of the time. And if you can crank out more and better content more quickly, then you can get your message out more effectively and ultimately get more clients and more revenue. So this is how you win the content battle. You put out better content that's more professional, you share your message, and you do it more effectively and more simply with Descript.com. Now, Descript has changed a lot in the last month. That's why I'm doing a brand new 5-day Get It Done Descript challenge. Very interactive, very hands-on. We'll work on your projects together. We'll show you exactly what to do, how to leverage and maximize Descript.com and all of the many recent changes and improvements they've made. If you used Descript even just a month and a half ago, it looks completely different now. They have done a total overhaul. And I want to show you how to maximize that, how to leverage it, how to use it. So anytime you want, you can make audio or video content simply and quickly. Join us. The information's below. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.